So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to let you understand Hamster Combat and how to play as a beginner, how to play Hamster Combat, how to earn coin, and how to, link your Hamster Combat to Tone Keeper. Okay, guys, in order to withdraw your own money. Okay, guys. So what you needed to know here is that this is a Telegram group. Okay, guys. So I'm going to send a link so that you will be able to log in through your Telegram and start playing. You can see now this is my Telegram. Okay, let me just go to this area and start playing now. As you can see this place now, so I will start playing the Hamster Combat. Okay, guys, so it's very easy. As you can see it here now, this is how you just press this area, and then as you press it now, so the coin, you just have to start any the coin. Okay, guys, so before, the purpose of this tutorial is that how to connect this Hamster Combat to Tone Keeper, so that in order to withdraw your money. Don't forget, this Hamster Combat has not been listed. Okay, it will be listed soon. Okay, guys, so how to earn more money? As you can see it here, more coin rather. So as you can see it here, you can see all this area. So by the time you click on it, you will earn more coin instead of mining like this. As you can see that I'm mining like this now, but if you don't want to mine like that, if you come down to this area, as you can see that when you watch video, you watch on YouTube, crypto fund and Facebook trial, so you are going to earn 100,000, and then daily reward, everything is here. So as you can see it here now, so if you don't want to, you want to earn more coin like that. Okay, guys, so after that you come down to this place. Also, you want to earn more, so you can click on that area. Okay, guys, so but now the purpose of this tutorial is for you to connect your Hamster Combat to Tone Keeper. Okay, guys, so how can you do that? Because I just explained this because of those who have not heard about Hamster Combat before. Okay, so quickly follow the link below this video. Just click on it and it will take you to, make sure you have Telegram on your phone. Okay, and it will take you to your Telegram, and you will open it like this and you start mining like this. Okay, guys, so start mining, and then if you want more, just go to the area of where I've made mentioning before, and then you just have to press on it and you earn. But now to connect it to your Tone Keeper, okay, guys, so that in order to withdraw your Hamster Combat, so the next thing here is to come down to this area. As you can see it here now, this is where you come down. Okay, guys, so if you see that, just click on it like this, and then it will take you to connect your Tone wallet. Don't forget, mind you, that the Tone wallet is the network you use to withdraw your Hamster Combat. If you don't know, just know now. And then how can you get this Tone wallet and Tone under Tone Keeper? Okay, guys, so for instance now, if you want to connect now, let me just press on this one now. So connect to your Tone wallet. Okay, don't forget that you will have it download. Go to your Google Store and download Tone Keeper. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm talking about, the Tone Keeper here. So if I go to my Play Store now, as you can see, I'm going to show you the Tone Keeper, the one I already downloaded it before, but for you to assure of it very well, so whenever you want to download your own, you can see that this is it now. As you can see, Tone Keeper, so that is the spelling of it. So let me go back to the tutorial, so that in order to take you back, let me take you back to the tutorial now. So to connect, so now to connect now, just have to press this area, and then okay, so let me connect it. As you can see, and you can see that we have various changes here to connect. So you can see, but your own, don't mind anything, just go to Tone Keeper directly. Okay, just press on Tone Keeper like this, and then it will take you to Tone Keeper directly. As you can see it here now, so connect wallet. Okay, guys, so just connect the wallet, and when you connect it like this, automatically it will be connected. done. Have you seen that? So automatically it's connected, so you don't have much. You can see it has taken me back to Telegram again to start mining. Okay, so when I start mining now, your Tone wallet is connected. Can you see that now? So that is that. Okay, you can just copy this, keep it somewhere, copy. Okay, so after that, aside from that, you can cancel it like this. Are you sure you want to unedit your Tone wallet? No. Okay. Alright, so it has already been connected, and then the next thing to do here is to start mining, mining like this. Always, don't forget, every time, every day, come down here, mine forever. Okay, guys? So whenever it is listed on any exchanges, so you get there, go to the Tone keeper, withdraw it, and you can change it. Don't forget, you can also swap this. For instance, let me go back to the Tone keeper wallet now. So let me go back to Tone keeper wallet. Okay, yeah, this is my Tone keeper wallet now. As you can see it here now, so this is my Tone keeper wallet, as you can see. So when the Hamster Combat is listed, you can either you swap it, or you change it to Tone coin, you convert it to this Tone coin. Okay, so that is how you make it, and you do it, and you sell it like that. So this is how you do and connect it like that. So some people that ask me question how to withdraw this Hamster Combat. Okay, guys, so it has not been listed, but just keep mining and make sure you do the right thing at the right time. The right thing is that get a Tone keeper, connect it already. Immediately it is listed, it will be showing here, it will be taken here, and then this is where you will swap it to dollar USDT. Okay, or you convert it to Tone coin and take it to Bybit and sell it single. Okay, that is all about Combat. Okay, guys, that is all about it. You don't need anything more. This is the latest information now. Just keep mining, keep mining. I told you, if you don't mind, if you leave it like this, you don't mind, you just overlook it. When the times come, when people are enjoying, you get yourself to blame. Guys, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to smash on the notification bell and comment whatever the question you want, and I'm going to respond to you. Peace.